Is your cleaning business smartphone ready? That's a question that we all have to ask because right now, lots of people are using their smartphones to access the information that we provide on our website. I'm Angela Brown, and this is Ask a House Cleaner. This is a show where you get to ask a house cleaning question, and I get to help you find an answer. All right, so the other day, I'm sitting in a car, and I was waiting to be called in for an appointment. And as I was sitting there, I was going through my smartphone, and I was taking a course. Now, the side note to the course is that it's from Savvy Cleaner Training, which is a company that I own. Okay, so this is quality control. And I'm taking the course that I created on a smartphone. And I wanted to see how user-friendly it was. And it wasn't user-friendly at all. Okay, now here's the catch. When I'm creating a course, I have 4 laptop computers on a desk. And they're all doing different things and they all show me different screens, but they're all in landscape mode. So that's 1920 by 1080, right? That's like a smartphone turned sideways, except it's a much larger screen. And that's how I see the courses we present to you. Okay, so now I'm on the phone and the phone is turned sideways in portrait mode and I'm using my fat fingers and I'm trying to take the course. And I got really, really mad at myself because it wasn't easy to do. Now, we are the easiest training program on the planet for house cleaners, and I couldn't even use my smartphone to take the course. Now, I got through a lot of it, but one of the challenges I had was we provide for you, to make your lives easier, a bunch of resources. And so I clicked on a resource, and it bumped me out of the course and somewhere else on the internet that I had linked to, okay? Then when I tried to get back to the course, I couldn't. So I had to go type in the URL again. I got to the magic page of the course, and it asked me, can you give me your email address? Can you give me your special password? And I had to log back in. Ah, yay, I'm back inside the course. So I started going through the course and I clicked on something that was another resource and it bumped me out of the course again. Then I was like, oh no, that did not just happen. It did. Okay, so then I had to log back in and log in with the email, log in with the URL and the special passcode and all that stuff. And I got back into the course and yay, I'm going along just fine. And I click on something else and it bumps me out of the course again. I'm like, what on earth? Okay, well, I know how links work, right? You click on something, it takes you somewhere else. But I never figured out how to get back. Okay, so now I'm on a smartphone and I'm really wigging out because I don't know how to fix it. And I started thinking I need a one-click access where I click on one button and I'm back inside the course. And I don't want to have to keep logging back in. That's super annoying. That happened to me like 20 times. And finally, I was called into the appointment. I was so unnerved when I got into the appointment, and I was only mad at myself, okay? I can't take this out on anyone else. This is completely my fault, right? I'm the business owner. I should know better, okay? So I decided as I was in that appointment, I need an app. I need an app for the courses, right? I need an app. So I went home and we immediately went into action and we created an app. It's now available on iOS and Android. I know, super exciting. Okay, so here's the thing. Along with the app, I had to say to myself, how do people use our website? What do they need to see? And so for the courses, one click and you're back into the course. And once you've logged in with your email and your passcode, it automatically remembers you. So if you are in the middle of a course and it drops you off for some reason, or you run into the store, or you move on and you just leave it, when you come back, one click and you can pick up exactly where you left off. So I'm super excited about that. But back to the original question, is your business smartphone ready? So who else uses our website? One of the interesting things is, one of the areas of Savvy Cleaner is we give away a free t-shirt every day. It's a funny cleaning shirt that is part of our special promotions that we're doing during the COVID era, when there's a lot of sadness and grumpiness in the world. We wanted to provide happiness for you. And so every day we give away a free, funny cleaning shirt. It's G-rated and family friendly. And we have lots of people that want to win one for their house cleaner as a gift, right? So you can either buy them on funnycleaningshirts.com or you can register to win one every single day. And every day we give out a new design of the day. So what happened is I was like, wait a second, wouldn't it be awesome if we put the Funny Cleaning Shirts app on there so that people could register every day right from the app? The app is free. It's called Savvy Cleaner. And again, it's available on Android and iOS, okay? But now you could just register to win a free t-shirt from that app, one click and you're in. Yay, I love it. Okay, so another thing, every single day, I get asked dozens of times a day, Where do I get that drill bit brush that you recommended on one of your YouTube videos? And we have to stop and we have to go look up that particular URL. We try to link it. We try to be as kind as we can. I will share a secret with you. If you're watching the YouTube videos, underneath the video, it says show more. We leave all the links to every single show. When you click on that, it opens up a little window and all the goodies are hiding inside. So you can find those in the show notes. But we stop and we try to answer those questions. So I thought, wouldn't it be awesome if we just linked to our Amazon store on the app, right? Okay, so back to the app. What's really cool is you can link to the app. You can go to our Amazon store, all the things we've recommended, from drill bit brushes to different cleaning chemicals, different mops, different brooms, different uniforms, things that you need to run your cleaning business and clean your house. It's right there on the app. Yay! Super excited. Of course, our YouTube channel is on there as well. You can watch the latest update from every day on there. Also, the podcast is available on there. Everything that you need is right there, one click. I know, I'm super excited. Okay, now the reason I ask, is your business ready for smartphones, is this. Many people, and a lot of people that are in our Savvy Cleaner Network program, don't even own a computer. They're on their smartphones. And they're being so kind to me that they never told me this is one of the worst user experiences that I've ever had. And it keeps bouncing me out. And I can't get back in. And I have to keep logging in. And I got fat fingers and it's hard on my little phone. I don't like this user experience at all. There's not one person that came forward and said, I hate this user experience. And I was in my car on my website, and I was the one that said, oh my goodness, I can't believe this is what we provided to you. And I stand here embarrassed. I'm ashamed. I wish I knew technology better than I do. But I realized in that moment, this is not fun. I do not like to keep logging back in again and again and again. So one of my most joyous moments is that we did create an app that is available to you, and it is free. Another thing that's super cool is we are now available in 175 countries because of Android and iOS. And so it's another way for us to promote you. So every day, one of the biggest questions I get hundreds of questions from homeowners that say, can you recommend a person that's gone through the Savvy Cleaner training that lives in my area? Here's what we started doing. We have a newsletter that comes out once a week called New Stuff, and it shares all the new stuff that happened during the week and all the different people in our network that went through different courses. And it will tell you the course that they went through: chemical safety or personal protective equipment, or how to do a walkthrough, or eco cleaning supplies, or whatever. It shares all the different things that they've been through. And so along with that, it has their name. It has the name of their company that is hyperlinked back to their website. It's got the city that they live in and the state or the area. We got people now from all over the world that are on that list as well. So every single week, and this is on the app, so every single week, you can see the new people of the week that are in your area that you could just click on that link and say, oh, look, this is a Savvy Cleaner trained professional that I could have come to clean my house. So it is another way for us to help you, even if you're just the general population and you just download the app because you want the free t-shirt of the day, or you want to find out who went through the courses of the week. Just those two alone are very, very valuable information, and again, 100% free. So I just wanted to share that with you. Our business had to take some huge steps to make sure that everything was smartphone ready. We even changed columns around so that when you click on the thing, it doesn't break it up. We had stuff that was broken up and it looked really pretty on a page, but when you go to smartphone, it chunks it like this, right? So it's in a vertical line, and then we had stuff that was out of sync that didn't make sense. So we had to go back through and rearrange a whole bunch of stuff so that it is smartphone ready. So my question to you, maybe you don't need an app, but maybe you have users that are using your website in a way that is not user-friendly to them if they are on a smartphone. So I want you, as your assignment, to go back to your website on a smartphone, not a computer, not a desktop, not a tablet, but a smartphone. And I want you to go through all the different pages of your business. And can you read everything? And does it make sense? And is the font big enough? And did you use the right kind of font? And do you have the right kind of a background for the letter of text that you're using? There are a lot of things that no one is telling you, and they won't tell you because they like you. But when you go on it and you try to use it as a user experience, you're going to say, oh my goodness. And then you're going to go and you're going to try to reinvent your website so that it's future-proofed for your business, okay? So my question to you, is your cleaning business ready for smartphones? And if you're like me And the answer is like, ugh, I don't think so. Now it's time to stop what you're doing and go fix it, okay? Go fix it. The world is moving to smartphones. Even mom and dad now are getting smartphones, right? So no longer can we pretend like it's a fad that's passing. It's not going away. All right, I hope that helps. If it does, give us a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, leave them in the links below. And if you want to download our app, it's on Android and Apple inside your app stores, and it's called Savvy Cleaner. All right, until we meet again, leave the world a cleaner place than when you found it.